This is Mark Anthony with Mercury Time Price Analytics, and welcome to our end of day trading video for Monday the 24th. What a day. What a Globex open last night. Absolutely unbelievable. We've got a lot to talk about tonight, so let's dig right in. So our algorithms fall into two broad categories. We've got our algorithmic pivots, which are these horizontal lines, and then we've got our automated algorithms. And these are automatic. Our subscribers, we teach them how to interpret this, but you don't have to make any decisions. The automated algo does it for you. We're going to come back to this in a minute. And on the right side, by the way, this is our day trading algo. This is our swing trading algo. The swing trading algo has only been short since 33.85, and actually just got out of it here in Globex. So about 140 handles, no biggie. The algorithmic pivots, we never draw manual support and resistance lines on charts. We don't need to. We've got a computer algorithm that does that. And I've mentioned this on other videos, and please understand, I'm not trying to sound arrogant, but I only say this because we developed this system for folks like you that are watching this, individual traders. There is no algorithmic system that is more accurate than this, not on a consumer level and not on an institutional level. And I want to prove to you with beyond a shadow of a doubt that the algorithms that we use, the time cycles we use, are exactly the same as the huge institutions and the huge hedge funds. And let me make the point. You had a 125 handle move down, 125 handles that stopped to the tick at an algorithmic pivot that was generated before the Globex open Sunday night. This was generated Sunday afternoon. 32.13.53. Now the algorithm is fully decimalized. We understand that ES, a handle is a round number, so 33.13 to 33.14 is a handle, and then you've got four ticks: 32.13, 13 quarter, 13 half, 13 3 quarters, and then 14. But the algo is fully decimalized. 125 handle move down that stopped to the tick at an algo that was generated over the weekend before Globex opened. From there, you had a 40 handle move up. In Globex, you had a very quick move down. Globex closed right around 32.26.27. He had a real quick spike down that stopped to the tick again and then rocketed back up 20 handles in a couple of minutes. I mean, this whole bar from down to from where it started to the bottom of the top was literally a couple of minutes. And as of now, you got a 46 handle move there. So last night, when I went to bed last night, I was worried. I obviously sensed we were going to get an ugly open. And I was worried that we were going to get such a huge gap down that it was going to be tough to find trades for our subscribers today. And that wasn't the case at all. 78 handles today. 78 handles. And every trade that I put out is posted in real time, or as close to real time as possible. When the market's moving fast, I call out the trades on our live chart feed, and then enter these as quickly as I can. But you see the trades, you see every time the stop was moved, it's all there. 78 handles on a day where, in going into it, I mentioned to our subscribers, all we're looking for today is just one strong counter trend move. Well, we got that, and then we got another one. Now, look at how precise this is. The first thing you do, and the point I mentioned a minute ago about these algos being literally as precise as the institutional algos, I'm going to share that thought with you in a minute. Here's the daily bull bear pivot that's put out way before the market opens. You can see when this level broke, you had a move from 32.87 and 46, 47 handles. The morning open came down to the tick to this extension level here at 32.30 to the tick. Came back up to our midday pivot, came back down to the tick, to this lower extension at 32.13, 40 handle move up. We were taking profits on that, into this area here. And then in Globex, you had another move down exactly to the same spot. Now, here's the point. If you're watching this, you're likely an individual trader. You and I don't trade enough volume to have anything stop to the tick. If everyone who's watching this video got together with every trader they know and every trader they know and they knew and they knew, and we put all our money together, we wouldn't have enough money to stop ES futures to the tick. The only ones that can stop these things to the tick are the institutions and the large hedge funds due to the size they're trading. And that's why when I make the point that these literally are the same mathematical algorithms that they use, we prove it every day because, again, you and I can't stop the market on a dime like this. We just can't. And so because of this level of precision, to the tick, to the tick, to the tick, to the tick, almost to the tick here, back up to our midday pivot, you can take a day that really didn't have a whole lot going on and book 78 handles. So what's 78 handles? On an ES, 78 times 50. Now, I want to show you something even neater than that. Let's take a look at our proprietary algorithm. This is our proprietary long-short algo. And this makes the decisions for you. So over here, you have our day trading chart. And here you have the swing trading chart. It runs on a longer cycle per bar. And this is what our traders have access to. We're recording this, 10:38 in Globex on Monday night. And you can see the chart moving. And so for our subscribers, they simply go to Zoom, free Zoom account. You just need an email address. And we give our subscribers a code every day, and you see this live chart. And I'm on the mic all day long, walking our traders through the setup. But I wanted to just zoom in on the automated algo. And let me just zoom that in a smidge and then scroll this back painfully slowly. Wish there was like a fast forward, like on a DVR. All right, so where did the algo get short? Now, first of all, it got short on Thursday too, but let's just focus on Friday. So Friday, it got short at 33.54. Now, it remained short at the end of the day Friday, so 33.54. Let's pull this back forward and see how many handles the automated algo made without anyone having to make a decision. So 33.54 came close to getting out here, but it knew that this was not it, so it stayed in. Finally got out in Globex right around in here. Call it 32.36, 32.38. So a tidy 120 handles. And the algo makes the decisions. You don't have to, I don't have to. So if you trade E-minis, what's 120 handles? $50 times 120. There you go. For a trading service that we provide all of this, the automated algos and the proprietary pivots, for service we charge $68 a week. $68 a week, billed bi-weekly. A little more than one ES handle, where just one of the things that we offer, just the automated day trading algo itself, 120 handle move. Now, what about our swing trading algo? The swing trading algo has been short since 32.85, 32.86, and just got out of it right in here about 32.45. So, there too, 140 handles on an automated algorithm that you pay $68 a week to access all of this. Not a bad deal, huh? The other cool thing about our service is there's no software to buy. You pay a subscription fee. You see this all day long. You're not paying for expensive software. You're not signing. I saw one real pretty cool piece of software about 3-4 months ago. It was $2,800 a year. $2,800 a year, and you got to commit to a contract. Well, here our service is $68 a week. We bill you every 2 weeks. So you sign up, you get 2 weeks. It's $138.54. 100 plus handles on the day trading algo, 140 handles on the swing trading algo, and then today just using our proprietary pivots, the trades that I call out, 78 handles. There is nothing on the market that gives you this kind of value, this kind of accuracy, this kind of consistency, and then charges you $68 a week for it. It's a joke. Prices are going up, by the way. The prices will be going up in March. So this is the last week for these prices. Now, the cool thing is we give you a lifetime rate lock. So if you're watching this video and it's still the last week in February, you can go to our website, mercurysignals.com. There are no rate increases once you subscribe, lifetime rate lock. But I wanted to show you a couple other things as well. We looked at this in our weekend video. The V-shaped recovery that the knuckleheads on Financial News TV have been talking about. And this doesn't even show today. This is Friday. They're talking about a V-shaped recovery. I get a little dyslexic sometimes, and maybe I'm spatially dyslexic, but that looks like an inverted V to me. I'm thinking. We looked at the chart damage that was already done last week. And here's another example last week. We had the same thing last week. You had a move that started up here and came all the way down to the tick. It started out when it broke the Mercury band upper level right here, which was at 84.91, call it 85. Came all the way down here to 38 to the tick. I mean, literally, it does this kind of thing every day. What else did I want to show you? And this just zooms in on what we talked about a little bit earlier. So if you're a full-time trader, a part-time trader, a day trader, a swing trader, you've got a day job and you can just trade a couple hours a day. We don't call out dozens and dozens of trades a day. I mean, today was basically first trade made 5 handles. And here you can see it. First trade, we trade in third. So the first trade plus 5 on the first third of the position, it reversed, and it ended up being a scratch. Had 2 of those in a row, 2 scratches. And then, we get these big, nice, chunky trades. So it's basically 4 trades all day long. And it actually would only have been 3, but I had a cable repair person here and had to step away from my desk and got stopped out and entered right back in. But 78 handles on a day that really didn't do a whole lot. So as part of our service, you get our Slack channel where all the trades are posted in real time. All the charts are in here. You get our live chart on Zoom with me blabbing away all day long. I've been doing this for 35 years. The idea behind me being on the mic all day long is to help identify setups, places to take profits, and just, help with risk management and trade management once you're in the trade. Now, look, the disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. We cannot guarantee results. We don't, although we show them to you every day. But one thing I will guarantee you, that we will teach you proper risk management as well as any course or book or listen. We teach traders how to do risk management like a pro, because the difference between a professional trader and someone who struggles and blows out their account a couple times a year usually comes down to the fact that it's not percentage win versus percentage loss. It's risk management. How many handles are you giving up when you're wrong versus how many handles you're making when you're right. So risk management determines the max you can lose on a trade. Trade management is how you manage the trade when you're in it. And in a way, they're two sides of the same coin, but they're two very, very unique, very different disciplines. And so we will teach you proper risk management. And we will teach you how to manage a trade like a pro. And you get that for $68 a week. I mean, we have to raise prices because there are services out there that all they do is offer pivots that aren't based on anything. It's okay, it's like a blind person throwing a dart. And I don't mean to offend anybody who has sight challenges, but you get the point. Whereas our system is like throwing a dart and making a bullseye, then throwing a second dart that hits the first dart directly behind, and then another dart hit, and so on. I mean, every single day, spot after spot after spot to the tick all day long. So we've come down quite a ways. This is going to be a very, very challenging market over the next couple of weeks. It could be a very, very profitable market for traders if you manage risk properly. So if you haven't been to our website, it's mercurysignals.com. There we go. And we'll just punch it up here. And mercurysignals.com. We do our web hosting on WordPress. That'll take you right to our site. Hit the subscribe button. We bill you bi-weekly, no contracts, cancel at any time. Like I said, the rates are going to be going up. If you haven't had a chance to follow me on Twitter, it's Mark Anthony, or the handle at MC2085. And we hope you'll follow us on Twitter. And most of all, we thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate it. We've got a lot of folks that have been sending comments and emails. You can email me at markanthony@mercurysignals.com. But we absolutely appreciate the time that y'all take to watch these videos. We hope you'll take a look at our website. Whether you're a very experienced trader or you're just trying to figure things out, we've got so many different ways that we can help you. And so we hope you'll take a look at our website. And that's going to wrap it up for tonight's video. As always, God bless you, God bless your family, and we hope to see you again real soon.